In fact, I am indeed honored to be a part of this historic moment of releasing the source code of Arogya Setu, which is being used by over 11.5 crore people in India. While releasing the source code, we have also released a very detailed document which will not only help you understand the code comfortably, but it will also explain the various nuances of this code. While doing an internal assessment, we also realized that some of the static code analyzers are throwing some kind of vulnerabilities because these static code analyzers are not able to understand the dynamics of the execution of this code. Therefore, to address those things, we are also releasing a FAQ, frequently asked question document. In this, these concerns are explained, which normally through this open source code analyzers, when you scan the code, you will get it. And why is this working like this? And why is this is not actually any kind of a vulnerability. All those things have been explained. So my sincere request to all those youngsters and the software developer community is that please go through this document. Once you understand, then only start scanning the code. And having understood, we will really welcome your inputs with respect to identifying any vulnerability or any kind of a code improvement. In fact, to encourage you, help us improving its present security, as well as to help you improve quality of code, we have also announced some kind of a something which we call bug bounty and code improvement bounty program. We have very clearly indicated there are 3 different categories in which we have identified through which the vulnerability which could be possible, through which you could breach this code. And for each of this category, there is a cash price of 1 lakh for each of you. So I urge all of you to go through and try. And there is a complete mechanism also given that if you identify any vulnerability, which is the mechanism to report, and then you have to really demonstrate that you've been able to do this. So complete details. So at the end, as the app was designed with a lot of transparency and privacy in mind, this code, source code release also has enough document, and everything has been put in very clear and transparent manner. Similarly, there is a scope or there's a bounty for you to suggest any kind of improvements in the code if you would like to. Another thing I just wanted to kind of inform you that this code will be available on GitHub 12 o'clock, after 12 o'clock tonight. Lastly, I also take this opportunity to thank my colleagues at NIC, Mr. R.S. Mani and Dr. Seema Khanna, who are here. Also all the experts from industry, academia, as well as my seniors who have given us this opportunity to be part of this historic app and this historic moment. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.